Okay, guys, welcome back. Let's go ahead and go to this next one for question 5. On question 5, I think we worked that one out, but the answer was A on that one. On question 6, process of elimination, you'd be able to figure out that she made $42.55 working 4 and 6/10 hours at, let's say if we just average that out to um, $10 an hour, so it's about $40, a little over $40, but not $4.25. But let's multiply. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 equals 55. I'm done here. 5 times 4 is 20. Cross that out. It's a 2. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 1 equals 37. And it's 0, 5, 5. That's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm looking over here. I'm moving it in 3 times, so it's 1, 2, 3. So this is what I have written down if you can't see it. So I can drop that 0 because 0 is just my hero. It's just holding its spot. So the answer is A. Process of elimination for Ansley, who bought the red jelly beans for Valentine's. 5 times 4 is 20. This is 0 and 30. I have 2 zeros and 5. I'm just going to do it this way. I have 1 0 and 28. I have 2 zeros and 42. I have 3 zeros and 7. I have 2 zeros and 8. And I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. And that's 12. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. And that's 2. And then I'm going to add this up. And I'm going to look over here. That's all 0. 8, 9, 10. And remember, I'm moving it over 3 times. So it looks like, see, I have a 0 coming through here. And let's see, I have 8, 10. That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Oh, well, that looks like it may work out. There's my 10 here. And I'm kind of going through and see what I've got. So I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5. That's 15. 2, 3, 4. And I'm moving in my decimal 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3. And there we go. $45.10. So you could have done standard algorithm or the partial products. This over here for number 8, it was multiplying. So I can have 6/10 times 2. Move it out, and it's the same as 6 times 2 is 12. Bring it back in 1 time, 1 and 2/10, or 20 hundredths. So I can also move this one over. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can represent it 4 and so I'm going to have 1 whole and then the 2/10 left over. Okay. All right. Let's come back over for the number 9. We started this one here, so you have the 4/10. This is 1/10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/10. And I can see these are whole numbers, so that won't work out. And I'm making notes to myself, whole numbers, so that doesn't work. This here, these are hundreds, so that's not going to work out. But here I have 8/10. I can easily add my 0 as my hero, right? And then I'm looking in this part right here. How many squares, how many units, how many hundredths do I have? And it's 32 hundredths. It's a very strong possibility. Okay. Here, this is again hundredths. So C's the answer. Make sure that you're showing all your work. My numerical expression, I could have done adding them all up and then subtracting. So this is going to Hawaii and my hotel bill. So I know that I'm going to have 2 nights, so I can have 483 times 2 nights plus my 247, put that in a bracket, minus my coupon or my discount from winning bingo. Or I could have just done 483 plus 483. I could have done that way. Plus 247 minus 375. All right, so now let's go ahead and solve. 483 times 2, that's 6, 16, 8, 966. That's for Saturday and Sunday. And I need to add in Monday. It's 13, 10, 11, 9, 10. So that's going to be, or would have been, $1,213. But I get to take off 375. So that's pretty cool. So I can't take 5 from 3, so I need to regroup. So this makes it what, 8? Yeah, 8. I have to double check. Can't take 7 from 0, so I'm going to regroup. So 10 minus 7 equals 3. Can't take 3 from 1, regroup that. So now I have 11, so that's going to be 9. Oh no, 8. 9, 10, 11. So they're going to spend $838. So these are whole numbers. I do not have any change, so I'm putting my zeros there. You have to fill in this top part. That's not optional. And then you go through and bubble in. All right. Question, do you have to bubble these in at 0? No, you don't. But I do want you to put those zeros so that you don't accidentally put a number there. All right, that was it for tonight. Guys, we'll see you later. Bye.